Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Experian app on your mobile device. In this case I'm using an iPhone and it's going to be downloaded through the App Store, but if you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store and download the Experian app. So as I said, I'm using iPhone. I'm going to click into the App Store. It's on my home page, this blue button on the right hand side, and then that's going to launch the Today page. Go down to the search page on the bottom right and then start typing in Experian. Press search, and then I always skip past the first advert and go to the first organic listing right here, the Experian credit score app, and you can see a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. This just means that I've downloaded this app in the past. So what you want to do is, if you've not downloaded this before, it will basically have a button that says GET, the get button. Either way, press the icon, press the button, and then it's going to start downloading. So I'm going to come back once this has downloaded. And there we can see, guys, Experian has fully downloaded on this device. So the App Store gives us the option to actually open up the app from within the App Store. So you can see the open button, press the open button, and that's going to launch the Experian app on your iPhone or Android device. And then improve your app experience. I always press accept here. Allow Experian to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. I always press allow because that will give us tailored advertisements on social media or on your browser in the future to your preferences. The average credit score is 802. What's yours? You can either press join now for free, the sort of pink button or purple button, if you do not have an account yet on Experian. So I'll show you what that looks like. You can basically type in all of your details, your title, Mr., first name, last name, date of birth, email address, and then continue through there. Or if you do not have an account yet, you can go back to the login section and type in your email and password and log in from there and start using the Experian app. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.